Hello everybody. Hello. We're in Jacksonville on our mission to race our first Spartan race of 2019. It's the Super, the 10-mile one. It's at a motocross park, meaning lots of hills. I didn't bring my headband for the GoPro, so Veronica is basically just gonna hold it during obstacles that here we go. Spartan Super Jacksonville 2019.
Okay, race. See you all at that finish line. Yeah. Knock it out, knock it out. Enjoy, man.
All right, we'll film when I can because I didn't bring my damn headband. Today we're on a motocross track, so it's more hilly than our usual Spartan races, but I think this will be a good workout. Yeah. You got it.
On the other side.
Good job. Whew. So monkey bars is next. Yeah. Woo!
Almost there. Woo!
Come on. Halfway. Halfway. There you can. Keep going. Use your back. There you go. Come on. You're almost there where my hand is. Gotta grab this. All right. Slowly let it down. Good job. Let's do this.
Got this, love. Almost. Almost there.
I did get there.
Oh.
Remember to ease them back down. Don't drop them.
Ow.
It just died.
I'm gonna get my butt for this one. Whee. All right, I'm gonna turn my GoPro off. We have barbed wire ahead. So, and then we got the dunk wall, and then we got the slip rope thing. So, all right, deuces. Okay. Good job, love. All right. Ooh, barbed wire. I feel like throwing up, but we'll see how the rest of the race goes. Veronica's in front of me. All right. I gotta concentrate. So enough recording.
I'm a little tired.
Is my face muddy?
You're no.
Yeah, so
I'm baked.
we're only like a mile in. No, I'm kidding.
What? Might as well turn around.
That was funny.
Watch out. I'm spinning. There we go.
Yes. Yes. All right.
You got this. You got this. Almost there. Woo! Got it.
I did it!
Woo!
I've never done it before. Fortunately, we got the bucket carry now. All right. Good luck. Whew. Come on, man. Yep. Why are they so muddy?
Is it 5 burpees? Cool.
You got it, man. 2 Packers fans right next to each other, baby. Rock on. Come on, love. You got this. You got this. All right. All right. All right. Yeah. 5 burpees. Whoa.
Hey girl, throw that leg over.
Wow.
Hold on.
Look at that. Yes. Good job, love.
Okay, you're good. Yeah. Good job.
Thanks. So technically you can use everything except for the top.
Get
Exactly.
in front of me. Oh. Woo!
Oh shit. Okay.
That was gnarly.
It's just a far.
Got this. Woo!
Yeah, well, I'll stay away.
Just reach right here. Over here.
I'm trying.
Right here.
Whatever.
It's coming. Here you go. Same over here. I put the left foot over there, and then your right arm over here. Just keep going.
Put your foot in the middle. Hold on. Use your left hand to grab the platform.
You got this. Hang in there. Hang in there. Almost there. Good job. Good job.
Try it without your shoes.
Try with that.
Yeah, I'm a running shoe Where is it?
All the way over there to the right, love. There it is.
Rock climbing in college definitely helps this. Calf cramp. What happened?
Go. Almost there. Woo!
You want to get your right hand over all the way to this hold. There you go.
Okay,
And then you want to try and put your right foot over here. So you got to switch your left foot where your right foot is. Okay, now you got to grab. There you go. Over, and then shift your foot. You're almost there. There you go. And now grab with your left hand. There you go. There you go. Just like that. Almost there. Doing good.
Yes! Woo! Y'all are amazing!
There you go. Just like that. You seem to do it easier than anyone. There you go.
yes. That was so easy.
I know, you just got a new obstacle. All right, we're not gonna record this one because we gotta help each other.
There you go. That's an action shot.
Is that for Shane?
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead. What's up? I'm at Bender right now.
Smile.
No more bars.
Got it.
You got it.
Just one, just one. Done.
He probably went like 3 times. All right.
Good job.
Go backwards. I would not lie to you, man.
You got this. You got that. Hold on. Hold on. Just hold on. Recovering strength. Hang in there. More than halfway.
You're already halfway there.
Get your momentum. Think about it.
Come on, ladies. Let's go. Dig deep.
I got this.
Of course.
Upper. There it is. Oh, come on. Oh. Get over. Yeah.
Is this the GoPro lost, guys? Is this the GoPro?
Yes.
Yeah, nice job.
Gotta run an extra mile for it.
I know.
Yeah.
That's right.
He's the first guy to go through. He's a demonstrator.
Right? This is how you do it, y'all.
Ladies, y'all got this.
It's right. Come on, love. Take your time up there.
Get to the lake on the other side.
It's not over yet. Is this gonna be over? All right. This is new. Oh, it's cold. It is cold.
Freezing.
Oh, that hurt. That burns. It burns. It burns. Cut my fingers open earlier.
Come over.
Clean out all the mud in our shoes.
I don't know, I'd rather be back in the mud.
Sorry, jeez. Just trying to clean myself. And I'm holding a GoPro. Whew.
You got that. You're right there. Good job.
Thanks. Yeah. That's right.
Let's to the right.
Use those poles, love, to push your. Love. When you swing over, you know how your feet go like that? Use those poles to kick off. Yeah, see like what he just did? Oh. You heard Bussum and you're like, what?
Can you raise your hand?
Bounce to the left.
All right.
You got it.
Come on, Jack, you got it.
Woo!
Sit down and push it out.
How many flips? 2?
You got it. There you go. Put your knee under it. Push it. Push it with your knee.
How many times have you supposed
There you go. One more. One more. That's how I feel. Go ahead, love. Put your knee under it. There you go. Come on. Push it. Push it. Push it. Good job. Woo. All right. Woo. It's like climbing in New Zealand with the GoPro. Oh, you're shaking the hell out of me. Oh. That's what time it is, 3:58. Just almost there. Woo!
We did it!
Exactly 4 o'clock! Whoa, it's finished! Hello, thank you. Wow, American flag and everything. Thank you guys. Woo! Woo! Yeah, look at that American flag. Look at that. Look, it even says 2019 National Series.
I like the way.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Well, till the next time.